everybody, it's Jerry, and today I'm going to show you how to make a plum tart. This is a really simple tart to make. It's basically just got a batter and some plums, and the plums can be different sizes. Probably better if you get smaller plums, but you can use bigger ones and just use fewer of them. It's got a nice crispy kind of crust on the top and soft, cakey inside and nice juicy plums as well. So I think you'll like it. Let me show you how to do it. We're going to start off by taking 2 teaspoons of psyllium husk. This is whole husk, and we're going to add half a cup of water. Mix that up and let that sit for a couple of minutes just to thicken. And then we're going to add in a half a cup of vegan butter and 1 cup of sugar and cream all that together until everything is well combined. And then we're going to add our dry ingredients. So we have a half a cup of brown rice flour, a half a cup of millet flour, a half a cup of tapioca flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum. And mix that all together until it's well combined. And then just beat it by hand for a minute until it thickens up. And then we're going to pour that into a 9-inch springform pan, which has been sprayed with oil and floured with a little, in this case I used some brown rice flour. And just shake the pan until the batter is nice and even. And then take our plum halves and arrange them on top of the batter. Make sure you leave the center open, so don't put any plum in the center. And so this will depend on the size of the plums as far as how many you get. And just even them out. And then we're going to pour some lemon juice, half a lemon, squeezed over the top, and then take 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, mix them together, and sprinkle that on top. And then we're going to bake that at 350 degrees for about 50 to 55 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Let the cake cool completely, and then transfer it onto your serving dish, and it's ready to serve. Thanks everybody for watching. Please tune in next time for some more recipes, and remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.